Hello students, now we have completed the 4th week of this MOOC course on solid and hazardous waste management. In 4th week, we have studied 2 modules. First one was on the waste processing, size and volume reduction, and second one was on the waste minimization, waste hierarchy and waste audit. In the first module, we learnt the importance of size and volume reduction. We also learned about different methods that are used for the size and volume reduction. We learned the merits and demerits of the volume reduction, and we also learned about the mechanisms of size and volume reduction. And ultimately, from this module, we concluded that size and volume reduction of the waste is very, very important, because if the size is reduced, we can manage the waste in better way, and if the volume is reduced, certainly if the waste is going to the landfill site, this is going to occupy the smaller space and our landfills can exist for longer periods. In the second module, that is on waste minimization, waste hierarchy and waste audit, we learnt that why it is important waste minimization. We learnt that if we minimize the waste generation, whether at individual level, whether at community level, whether at commercial level, whether at industrial level, if we reduce the waste or if we minimize the waste generation, that is good for us. We have to spend lesser money or lesser energy, as well as we can save our resources. Then we studied about waste hierarchy. In waste hierarchy, we have discussed that first of all, we should avoid the waste generation, we should prevent the waste generation. Then we said that we should go for 3R principle, try to reduce, reuse, recycle or recover the materials from the waste, and if anything cannot be done to the waste, only then go for its treatment and disposal. Means the minimum quantity of the waste should go for the disposal in the landfills. Then we discuss the waste audit. From that discussion, we found that waste audit is very, very important. If we do the waste audit, then based upon the constituents of the waste and the quantities of the waste, we can decide what kind of methods can be used and where from the waste is coming in an industry, and also based upon that we can decide that what kind of waste management plan be made for that particular organization or particular firm or a particular industry. I hope you enjoyed these modules. Thank you.